Hello, today we will guide you through how to find settings in Claude AI. To get started, open Claude in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should be on the main Claude interface. This is where you can begin a new chat, manage conversations, and access your account options. If you are already signed in, you can move directly to the next part. Look toward the bottom left area of your screen. There you'll find your profile section. Click on your profile to open the menu where the settings are located. This is the main access point for managing how Claude works for your account, so it's a useful place to remember for future changes. After opening the settings area, you'll first see General Settings. This section usually includes broader app preferences and basic controls that affect your overall experience. If you ever want to adjust how the platform behaves in a general way, this is a good place to start. Next, you'll find Account Settings. This section is focused on your account-related information and options. When you need to review account details or manage account-specific preferences, this is the section to open. You'll also see Privacy Settings. This area is important because it covers controls related to your data and privacy preferences. If you want to better understand how your information is handled or adjust privacy-related options, this is where to look. From there, continue to Billing Settings. If you have a paid plan or need to review subscription-related details, this section is where those options are organized. It's helpful for checking plan information and managing payment-related settings. Another section available is Capabilities Settings. This is where you can explore features and functionality that may affect what Claude can do in your workspace. If you're looking for feature-specific options, this area is worth reviewing carefully. Finally, you'll also find Connector Settings and Claude Code. These sections are useful if you want to manage integrations or access tools related to Claude's extended functionality. Depending on your setup, these options can help you connect Claude with other services or explore additional technical features. And that's it. To find settings in Claude AI, simply open Claude, click your profile in the bottom left, and browse through the available settings categories including General, Account, Privacy, Billing, Capabilities, Connectors, and Claude Code. Once you know where this menu is, it becomes much easier to customize your experience whenever you need to.